Why should you always be on time? Well, everybody knows that if you're late to a job interview, you're probably not going to get the job unless something extreme happened on your way over there and, it's all good. But otherwise, you're showing disrespect to the interviewer and they're just probably not going to pick you. If you're late to a business meeting, well, if you're trying to organize a deal between two companies or you're trying to sell something, chances are that person's not going to buy from you because you were late. Now, when you're late to a meeting with a friend, though, is it as important? Usually the friend forgives you and they're like, man, it's all right, it's fine. Depending, of course, on how much you're late by. If you're meeting at 1 o'clock and the friend shows up at 1:30, that's really, really late, isn't it? Now, what is being late really all about? Why is it that you don't get that job? Why is it that you don't get that deal in business? Well, it's not because you didn't agree or didn't meet the terms of the agreement that you were supposed to be meeting at. So for example, if you're meeting at 1 and you meet at 1:07, it's not because you came at 1:07. It's respect. It all comes down to respect. When you are late to something, you're basically telling the person that you're meeting, I don't respect you, I don't respect your time, I'm all that matters. Now, that's not a good message to send to anybody. At the end of the day, what you want to be is on time. Now, I live by a motto, which I heard from someone a long time ago on a job, and I was just like, wow, that's actually brilliant. If you're early, you're on time. If you're on time, you're late. And if you're late, don't bother showing up. Now, obviously, I've never not shown up to something, but I think those are really, really good words to stick by. If you are early somewhere, then you can walk in on time and be there for that person and really show that person respect. Whether that person is a company or that person is your friend or that person is a boss, or it doesn't matter who it is, you're showing respect by being there on time. Now, if you're there on time, say you arrive at 1 o'clock, well, you still have to park, you still have to find your way inside, you're now late. So the moral of this, I don't know why I'm saying moral, but the idea is this: don't be late to things, because all you're doing is showing disrespect to the other person. And in turn, that means you're disrespecting yourself, because you're not gonna have the full benefits of whatever relationship it is that you're engaging in. At the end of the day, if you wouldn't want to be waiting for someone, then don't make them wait for you. Always be on time. Thanks again for watching. If you're loving what I'm putting up, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so that notifications are on so that every time I post, you'll know. You can follow me on Instagram at @TheAdamKruger, and that's it. Thank you so much. Hit that like button. We'll see you next time.